My 95 Toyota pickup. I'm rebuilding. Has 200,000 miles on it. You can see some stuff in the back. Shocks. I'm going to do the suspension and the engine. There's the back, the drums. There's my torque knuckle I took off. I did the upholstery myself, just, you know, adhesive, and that's where my cat lays. That's why it's so dirty. Basic, doesn't even have power steering. The lower and the upper suspension's good. I mean the upper arm, but I'm gonna change all the tie rods. 22 RE. My next video will show the pistons, but I'm waiting for the bearings in the mail. They're on their way from, I got them from Rock Auto. Not a mechanic, it's not going to be an expensive rebuild, but either just to hold it in real quick. It's the front of the 22 RE. The other side. And the next video, if you guys can leave comments, I did show you I'll show you the cylinders and if they look good to you. I'm not going to hone it, but if you think I should. Here I come over, there's the head. Camshaft. Camshaft doesn't look too good. The number 4, I mean, that area I'll show you on my valves and my pistons a little bent, but I don't really want to replace it. Hope this comes in well. You can see the lobes. Here's my W56 transmission. I don't know transmissions, so I'm not gonna rebuild that, but I'm just cleaning it up. It was filthy. I'll put pictures up also. I mean, this truck was never touched for 20-something years. If you guys know if that looks good to you guys, and I don't need to do anything, let me know. Let me know what gear it's in too. I want to put it in neutral while it's here, but I don't know how. Looks like that gear is, maybe the 5th gear is in. But it's a W56 5-speed manual. Let me know if everything looks good to you. And then I'll seal it. There's the bell housing. Here's my valves. They're pretty filthy. Here's the number 4 intake. And here's the number 4 piston I was talking about. It looks a little bent. Here's the number 3. Number 4, I hope that comes in. My spark plug is not going in all the way on the head, so I'm going to have to re-put that in so it goes in deeper, but you can see the number 4. I mean, it was worse when I took it out. I'll put pictures, but that's the number 4, the dirty one. There's the clutch, reed valve, throttle body, EGR, throttle body. More stuff down here. 22 RE. I think it's pretty much all stock. Intake. I had it for about 10 years, the plenum. I'm cleaning all that out. It was black. It didn't pass smog. When I was in North Dakota, I was fracking and it blew a head gasket, so I did that, and I think all the fluid in it just messed it up. And there's the bags of screws labeled and everything, using the Haynes manual, taking a lot of notes, and also using that book. But that's my 95. Like I said, the next video, yeah, I showed the cylinders. Let me know if you think I should hone them or not. Everything else you can see. The engine's out. It's a great truck. Air conditioner works great. But yeah, I'm gonna put this back, and let me know if you think all that looks good on the comments, if you guys can. Hope it's coming out good. I'm not going to change those seals, but I will change that seal. There's the head. Underneath, you can see. Again is the 22RE. Do a cheap rebuild. I painted it just so after it's together I can see if any oil. And also, if you guys know, you can see that I messed that up bad, so I'm gonna have to seal that for the oil pan. Okay, I'll catch you on the next video, guys.